It's summer and I really want to make this vest and this skirt out of this linen fabric. I also want to make this dress out of this cotton fabric. So let's begin. For the waistcoat, I'm using my perfect waistcoat pattern from this video, but I've made some tweaks to the pattern so it will look more like this. So if you're interested in knowing more closely how I sew this, you can watch this video. I tried the skirt on, but it's way too long, so I need to remove 20 centimeters. I will overlock this, hem it, and then continue with the lining. I will sew this, press it, and understitch. I will sew the sides, turn it right side out, and then hand sew the lining to the skirt. So I made the pattern. This is both the front piece and back piece. They're exactly the same. And this is the sleeve. So it's a raglan sleeve. So everything will be pulled tighter with some elastic bands. So I will make a channel here, and then I'll use the seam allowance from when I attach the skirt to the dress and just fold it up so, and then I'll have another channel. The sleeve and the neck will be just simply folded over, stitched, and then pull an elastic through. So now I'm about to cut the fabric. I will cut 2 of these on fold and 2 of these on fold. So the front, the back, and the sleeves. Then I will cut 2 rectangular pieces for the skirt. So I think I'll actually use the whole width of the fabric. The whole skirt will be 3 meters, but I think that will be all right. The fabric is quite thin, so I think that will help cover things up. Yeah, I think this will work out. I will mark where to put the channel. Then I will overlock all edges, including the channel piece. And then I'll start sewing them together. I'll stitch these in place and then continue sewing the sleeves to the front and the back. I'm about to cut the skirt, and I want the skirt to be 19 centimeters long, so I will add some seam allowance and cut it. Not a lot left. I've made some gathering stitches, so I will gather this up a bit and attach it to the bodice. I just try to make it as even as possible. But this will bunch up even more with the elastic band. I'll sew this with 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. I'll zigzag this to keep it all in place. One, two, three, four. Oh, wait a minute. I don't need 4. I just need 2. This is for all the way around. I just need to divide these. Oh well, I'll need some for the sleeves anyway. I will put in elastics in all waist channels. Then I will close the side seams and the sleeves. And lastly, I will put in elastics in the neckband, the sleeves, and I will hem the dress. And then it's done.